guys, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimberly-Elese, and today's video is going to be a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial on how you can get your eyebrows done in 5 minutes or less. So if that's something that you want to see, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, today's video is going to be a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial on how I get my brows done in less than 5 minutes in the morning. As you can see, I already have one brow filled in and we're going to be working on the other one in this demo. I'll start with my MAC Prep and Prime face primer. I use this to matte out my brows because my brows will get oily throughout the day. This works perfectly at keeping them from shining up on me, and it's really quick and easy to use. I'll just apply that to my brows until it's matted out. And then I'll go in with my favorite eyebrow pencil, which is the My Precise My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This does come with the brow product on one end and a spoolie on the other end, which makes it very convenient to use. And now I'll start by outlining the bottom part of my brow. I will follow the natural outline that my natural brows grow in. So I'll outline that and then I'll just fill in the center as I go. My eyebrows are micro shaded. I haven't gone back in a couple years to get them reshaded, so it has faded a bit. So I do like to fill in my brows in the mornings to make them look a little bit darker. I'll just keep making small hair-like strokes until I fill the entire brow area in the shape that I like. The key to using this pencil is to use small hair-like strokes as you go. It literally takes less than 5 minutes to do these brows, guys. I'm not kidding, it is so simple and easy. Once I'm done filling them in, I will use the spoolie part of the pencil to fade out the front of my brow so that it doesn't look so harsh in the beginning of the brow. And then I'll go back and forth between the pencil and the spoolie end until I'm satisfied with the shape. I remember when it used to take me 15 to 20 minutes just to fill in my brows. Nowadays, who has that type of time to just fill in brows? So this tutorial is for those who don't want to spend that long trying to get their makeup done or get their brows on before their makeup. And after it's filled in to my liking, I'll go in with my favorite concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'll use the MAC 195 brush to dip some of the concealer from the wand. And then I'll clean up my brows underneath by placing that concealer as close to the shaded in area as possible. I don't like to go in on top of my brows to shape them out or to clean them up. I just do the bottom. And I'll continue to clean them up with the concealer until I'm satisfied with that. I also blend that concealer out so that there's no harsh lines on the brow. And when doing this, guys, just take your time. I promise you, it literally takes you less than 5 minutes. And once you get used to it, you'll get the hang of it. I'll also take a little bit of that concealer that's left on the brush and run it through the beginning of the brow ever so lightly, not hard enough to rub off the work that we just did, but lightly to kind of fade the beginning of the brow a little bit more. And that is it, guys. Brows in less than 3 minutes. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. You could totally wear your brows like this or put your makeup on.